In this tutorial, we shall add social media based Google OAuth login to our project. And for this, I'll say this is a tutorial on building a long running service with ASP.NET Core, and I have used YouTube DL as an example. So this is just as an example that we have used and created this YouTube extraction project. It works perfectly, but you might have to go through the legal terms of YouTube DL and the YouTube for commercial use. Source code till this step has been attached, and let us now have a look at the source code itself. This is the project that we have already been completing, and the first step that you will have to do is that you will have to add this package Microsoft ASP.NET Core Authentication.Google to this project. This will allow us to connect to Google servers, and for this, as you must have already been aware, you will have to copy it and paste it on the package manager console. Let's wait for it to open and paste it and allow the whole installation to complete. In my case, the installation is already completed, so you can just have a look at that. We have it there now, and now I will before I explain, I will run it for you so that you can understand what is exactly the target in this case. So this is the sort of page that we will be creating in this tutorial. We will have a login required, and here we say you will have to create a social media app as explained in this YouTube video. This video has been done by me. You will have to create a social media app on Google console first of all, and then you will get client ID and client secret, which you will use to in this program.cs file, and I have already completed. I will in a moment come to this. If you are unable to go through all these steps, then you can immediately do a test login with hard-coded email a@a.com. This will take place through cookie-based authentication. So this button you can use if you do not want to go through the Google process. Now since I have already completed and everything is done here, I will sign in with Google. And when you sign in, it says choose an account to continue to my OAuth app. This is the name of OAuth app that I have given when I was doing that video. You can have a look at it and do all the steps, but right now if I click it here, I will be taken to the authentication process, and immediately I am taken to the protected index page where I can take my services of this website. So now I will close it, and now I will show you the code that we have done. So as I've told you, first of all I have installed this package, and after this I have come to my pages folder. This is the home page that I added the last time, and there is nothing in this except start a new download and the index model file. In this case now I have added this authorize attribute to the index model class. Nothing else has been changed. As you can see, this is the simple class that we completed in the previous tutorials, and I have only added this authorize